So ano ang kaso na ipinayo kay Mayo?
That was the hot pursuit operation, Your Honor, on the
Meron
morning
bang
of
kasong hot pursuit? Eh, umabot ka ng Colonel, Lieutenant Colonel, hindi mo alam yung ipapile na kaso? May kaso bang hot pursuit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano? What law provides that?
Because according
Hindi
to
nga, what law provides na krimen, yung hot pursuit. Hot pursuit yung sinasabi mo eh. Hindi naman krimen yung hot pursuit. God damn it.
if the suspect, Your Honor, is escape, so definitely, Your Honor, mayroong hot pursuit operation ang gagawin.
Kaya nga, ang tanong ko sa inyo, ano ang krimen na ipinail ninyo laban kay Sergeant Mayo?
Possession of illegal drugs, Your Honor, and when incriminating documents found inside the WPD lending, Your Honor, kinailan din namin ng Section 11 as co-conspirator ng illegal drugs found at the WPD lending.
Oh,
Counts of non-bailable offense, Your Honor, Section 11.
alam mo pala eh, bakit hindi mo masagot kanina yung tanong ko?
Hot pursuit.
Hot pursuit yung sinasabi mo eh. Hindi naman krimen yung hot pursuit. Oo. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Sorry, Your Honor.
Yes. Now, sino ang nag-file kay Sergeant Mayo?
SOU 4A, Your Honor.
When I asked you sino ang complainant?
The complainant, Your Honor, is Patrolman Achuela, arresting officer,
At saka,
lead by Captain Pinion, Your Honor.
Captain Pinion. What was the role of Captain Pinion?
He was the team leader, Your Honor,
Of?
of Patrolman Achuela during the conduct of hot pursuit operation, Your Honor.
May I ask Miss Managhaya, did you see Captain Piñol ba yun?
Yes, Your Honor. Captain Pinion.
Piñol. And what is his position?
Team leader po ng isang group, dalawa po yata group nila eh. Captain Pinion po yung naging team leader po doon kay Mayo po naman.
Ngayon lang natin nalalaman itong mga ito eh.
Is Captain Pinion
May I know what office you belong to?
Your Honor, I was formerly belong to PNP.
Hindi former now.
Now, Your Honor, at PHAW DPRM. Your Honor.
Before that, what?
Before that, my former unit, Your Honor, was in PNP SOU 4A, Your Honor.
SOU. And what was your position at PDEG Region 4A?
Intelligence officer, Your Honor, and also a team leader, Your Honor.
Team leader.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're not under Captain Songko.
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you part of the pre-ops filed by Captain Susongko?
No, Your Honor.
No. E paano ka nakasali sa operation? At paano ka naging complainant?
Your Honor, I will explain my circumstance.
Please,
Yes, sir.
we'll listen.
On October 8, Your Honor, my team and I can say majority of the SOU 4A who are not belong to the operation doesn't know that there will be an operation at Manila, Your Honor.
You do not know
Yes, Your Honor.
that there will be an operation.
Yes, Your Honor. The operation of
At
Team-
yung mga tao mo, hindi alam yon.
yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
if I may,
Sige,
Congressman
sige.
Akop, we were told earlier by patrolman na nandun sila, naghihintay na sila sa Manila eh.
Yes, Your Honor.
So ikaw yung team leader, hindi mo alam, pero yung mga tao mo alam.
Hindi ko po sila team member, Your Honor.
Tao yun eh.
Okay.
There, meron pong specific team that time na may operation, and that was not my team, Your Honor. And also, I can say the rest of the SOU 4A was not also informed that their Captain Susongko has operation at Manila area, Your Honor. We were just informed, Your Honor, around 4, 5, may kita po doon na nagdadatingan na lang po kami sa area for additional perimeter security. And as an officer, Your Honor, gusto ko rin pong makatulong kung ano yung matutulong ko sa operation dahil that was a big operation, Your Honor. Yun po yung first circumstance namin kung ba't po kami nagdatingan sa area, Your Honor.
Ito, direct question na sa iyo. Were you the one who arrested Sergeant Mayo?
No, Your Honor.
Why did you file the complaint and execute the affidavit of arrest?
Yes.
The circumstances, Your Honor, were spontaneous and circumstantial, Your Honor. We were present, Your Honor, during the inventory. And the incriminating documents in the WPD lending, Your Honor, ay nagtuturo po kay Rodolfo Mayo. Mismo pong si Ney Atadero, Your Honor, in the presence of witness, DOJ
With your
assistant.
indulgence, Iho. According to the reports, Ney Atadero and Sergeant Mayo were arrested around 1.
We were not informed.
Lahat. Yun. Teka,
Yes, Your Honor.
hintayin mo ako. Lahat yun ng reports, alauna na arrest si Sergeant Mayo at saka si Atadero. And you arrive at the scene ng 4 o'clock. And therefore, how could you arrest somebody who has already been arrested
Arrested earlier.
Yes, Your Honor.
earlier? So, the conclusion is, hindi ikaw ang umaresto kay Mayo.
Yes, Your Honor.
And therefore, you're not qualified to be the arresting officer because in reality, hindi ikaw naka-arrest mismo eh.
Yes, Your Honor. Wala po kaming idea, Your Honor, during that time na si Mayo ay naaresto daw po somewhere else, not in WPD lending. Because when we arrived at the area, Your Honor, andun na po lahat ng mga immediate superior namin, directors, and then we conclude that that everything is
Yeah.
in order, Your Honor.
Colonel Olonan, why did this happen?
What is the question, Your Honor?
Are your thoughts somewhere? Huh? Why did this happen?
Your Honor, Sergeant Mayo was arrested during the call of the follow-up operation, Your Honor.
Yes, explain to me na aresto na si Mayo noong dumating si Lieutenant Piñon. And then you made him the arresting officer.
As I have said, Your Honor, naaresto si Sergeant Mayo based on the report ni Susungko sa akin sa Bangbang, Your Honor.
Sinong umaresto sa kanya?
Team of Lieutenant Susungko, Your Honor.
O bakit si Lieutenant Piñon ang complainant? At arresting officer?
Because Sergeant Mayo, Your Honor, was utilized during the conduct of follow-up, Your Honor. And then,
Teka. Yung follow-up operation ninyo, yun nga ang questionable eh.
Yun ang punot dulo nito eh.
Oo. Kasi, yung itinago ni Major Salmingo na uniforme, yun din ang suot siguro ni Mayo nung inaresto nila si Francisco. Kasi naka-uniforme siya eh. Siya pa nga nagbasa ng Miranda rights. Oh. Anong klaseng operation yung ginagawa ninyo, Colonel Olonan? Kung ako ang chief PNP, I will file a case against you.
Yan ang ating Bravo Balita. Salamat sa panonood. Follow at subscribe at like na po kayo sa aming Facebook, YouTube at TikTok channel.